Hindi yung pagmumurahin ninyo, babastusin ninyo. Ba't sino ba kayo? Government office yan eh. Nabili nyo na ba yan? Hindi naman private yan eh. Public office yan eh. A public office is a public trust.
Rapid fire!
Na ninyong lahat. Martin Romualdez, Lisa Marcos, Bongbong Marcos.
Ako, namimiss ko tuloy si Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago. Binabanatan ko yan, ha? Pero bilib ako dyan. Ha? Kasi, hindi naman ko mo binabanatan mo eh. Kwan, galit ka na. Hindi. Sa totoo lang, mga kaibigan, hanga rin tayo kay Miriam. Kailangan natin ng mga ganon. Ha? Hindi natin kailangan sa Senado, bobo. Sino yun? Si Robin Padilla.
Siguro naman po, napaka-plastic ko naman. Kung sasabihin ko po sa inyo, pag yan ay umakyat sa Senado, eh mag-iisip pa kayo kung ano yung bobo.
So you will vote a no for impeachment?
Definitely. Ngayon pa lang po, alam nyo na po.
Ang kailangan natin dyan, bunganga, kamukha nila Miriam Santiago. Nagbubulgar, pati ng katarantaduan ng mga kasama niyang senador. Although, hindi ako sang-ayon sa lahat ng kanyang mga sinasabi at ginagawa, pero mas importante, mas paramount yung kanilang boses. Ha? Lalo na sa pagdating sa mga issue na nangangailangan ng pagliliwanag. Doon, parang iskrimahan yan eh. Pagka, sabi nga ni Kauding, pag nagpingkian yang bakal, sa bakal, katulad ng espada, pag nagpingkian yan, merong liwanag nakikislap dyan eh.
Una, nagbibiro ba kayo? In writing ang inyong compliance na. Sabi niyo will present so many witnesses, so many documentary pieces of evidence. Pagkatapos ngayon sabihin niyo, without explanation, our case is very strong. We no longer want to present evidence on these causes of action. You are prejudging the case. What are you? Conducting trial by... What are you doing? Conducting trial by publicity? Let me remind you, an impeachment trial is both quasi-judicial and quasi-political. But let me place this in context. In its quasi-political aspect, an impeachment trial is not to be decided by the reading public or the viewing public or by any of the publics that we are addressing. It is true that the Constitution provides sovereignty resides in the people and all government authority emanates from them. But sovereignty resides in the people is a term of art in law, meaning to say it is a special code. It has a special meaning. It's not being used in its ordinary meaning. When the Constitution says sovereignty resides in the people, what people are we talking about? All 98 million Filipinos? Or all 65 million registered voters? A majority of registered voters? All survey firms? Or which survey firms are you referring to? Referenda? By certain NGOs? Referenda and surveys in certain campuses? No! This is not a direct democracy and we are not in Athens. The people are not going to decide this case. It is the Supreme Court and it is the High Court of Impeachment, this Senate, and the Senate alone that will decide this case. We are going to hold ourselves immaculate of all the propaganda that you are distributing abroad, meaning to say outside of this courtroom. Mapropagandaize kayo sa gusto ninyo. Walang epekto yan. Ngayon, hindi naman ito, as I said, hindi ito direct democracy. Representative democracy ito. We, the impeachment court, are the representatives of the people. We have been chosen by the Constitution to exercise the sovereign powers of the sovereign people in making a decision on the impeachment trial. Kaya galang naman ninyo kami. When I heard this news yesterday, I felt like creeping back into bed and adopting a fetal position, which is the normal reaction of any sane person when he is faced with a world that is crumbling around him. I no longer know what universe I am in. Because I've spent 5 years of my miserable adult life in trial court day after day after day, hearing civil, criminal cases, and special proceedings. But I've never seen this done to a judge before. Thank you, Senator Escudero.
Oh, mga kaibigan, kaya mas maganda yun. Hindi ba? Kaya, nami-miss ko rin eh. Wala na tayo mga ganyan ngayon. na nakapagpapaliwanag sa atin ng batas, mga kaibigan, ng konstitusyon, tsaka mga batas. Kasi si Miriam, naging judge yan eh. Katunayan yan eh, dinimanda nga ako niyan eh. Pero doon lang yon. Ang masama nga eh, dito may mga pinagtatanggol pa tayo eh. Pero mga walang iya rin eh. Mga kaibigan, sa totoo lang ha. Kala nyo, itong mga narinig nyo rito, minsan pinupuri natin. Wala tayong kamalay-malay, walang hiya pala yan. Sa judiciary, hayop pala yung hindoropot na yan sa judiciary, mga kaibigan. Pero darating din ang karma niyan.
Session is suspended.
Bilang katugunan, gagampanan namin ang aming tungkulin na pwedeng magawa habang recess, kabilang na ang pag-review ng rules ng Senado sa impeachment dahil kailangan po itong i-update.
Sa bayan ko ay isa ang lahi. Dito'y wala ang pagkukunwari. Hindi padagay, sadyang kilala sa daigdig. May pagkakaisa sa bawat nais.
Magandang gabi, Manny Pacquiao!
Dito sa bayan ko, lahat kami pantay-pantay. Walang nang-aapit, ang pag-ibig ay tunay. Dito sa bayan ko, dito'y makikilala mo ang isang kaibigang nagmamahal sa'yo. Ang bayan ko'y punong-puno ng yaman. Bakit ito'y kailangan pang iwanan? Hindi nga ba't anong sarap mabuhay ng